Mastering the phrase, put a stamp on it. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of the intriguing phrase, put a stamp on it. Whether you're a budding writer, a non-native English speaker, or just someone curious about English idioms, you're in the right place. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey and stamp out any confusion. Put a stamp on it. At first glance, this phrase might evoke images of someone sticking a postage stamp on an envelope. In the most literal sense, that's exactly what it means, to attach a stamp to a letter or parcel before mailing. But as we delve deeper, you'll discover that this phrase holds more than just its postal relevance. Beyond its literal application, put a stamp on it carries a figurative meaning. It is often used to express leaving a personal mark or signature on something. When someone says this, they imply making a distinct impression or asserting influence over a project, work of art, or situation. It's about adding a personal touch that unmistakably identifies it as one's own. To grasp the essence of this phrase, let's explore some examples. 1. In creative work, an artist might put a stamp on their work by incorporating a unique style or signature element that screams their identity. 2. In professional settings, a manager could put a stamp on a project, implying they've influenced the project significantly, shaping its direction or outcome. 3. In personal scenarios, someone might put their stamp on a home by decorating it in a style that's uniquely theirs, making the space distinctly reflective of their taste. While "put a stamp on it" is a versatile phrase, it's essential to use it appropriately. It conveys a sense of authority and individuality, so it's best used in contexts where personal contribution or influence is significant and evident. It's not just about participation. It's about leaving an indelible mark that others recognize and associate with a person or entity. And there you have it. The phrase, "put a stamp on it," is more than a relic of the postal world. It's a vibrant expression that celebrates individuality, influence, and personal touch. Whether in art, work, or everyday life, knowing how to use this phrase can add depth and nuance to your communication. Happy stamping, and until our next linguistic adventure, keep enriching your English vocabulary.